and beauties, welcome to the channel. I'm super excited for this review today because I love to save you guys money. This is a collaboration product review with Duvolle. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that correctly. They reached out to me to check out one of their flat irons. It is not just any flat iron. I'll get to the details on that later, but here is the packaging. So this is going to be a pretty much like a small demo of me testing out the product and how it works, so you guys can decide for yourself if this is the product for you. So keep watching. This is the unboxing of the Duvolle Rendezvous professional styling iron with rounded plate edges for more styling options, professional titanium plates, power ready light, power on and off, 5 pre-programmed digital settings, 360-degree swivel cord, Super S plate designed for performance and variety of styles, naturally straightened style, big wavy S style, tall curled C style, flip out style. So it has 5 different styles, so you can create a good 4 to 5 different styles using this professional iron. You can also check them out at www.duvolle.com. So I went ahead and plugged this in. These gorgeous titanium plates. In the inside you have your functions, your buttons. Well, we're actually one button, and you just simply press that. The first one is 270 Fahrenheit, and the next one is 320, 360, 410, and 450. So it goes up to as high as 450 and as low as 270. I love the fact that it has these little rubber protections on the hair where you can sit it down and it will lay on the table at an angle. And this thing heats up really well. As you can see, these plates right here for when you want to do a curl or some kind of body wave. And I do like that function with the overhang of the plate. And this silver core design. This is a very hefty tool. It feels like very luxury tool. And I do love the fact that the simplicity yet elegantness of this flat iron. The iron does stop a little short here, but I think, that's okay because you could just touch it. I think that's what that's made for, so you can touch it right here. So like some people do without burning yourself because it's not getting hot. So I do like that. Here is the glove that it comes with. I understand that the hair is straight, but it has a little kinks in it from coming out of the pack. So I just wanted to get some of those kinks out of the hair sitting in the packaging. And as you can see, it literally slides. I'm putting pressure onto the iron itself, a little pressure. And even with that, it literally like the plates are just floating against the grain of the hair. And it's just simply just sliding. I'm not getting any snags. It's literally like butter. Like it feels like I done greased this up and I'm just sliding the hair down with some kind of moisturizer, and I didn't put any product on this hair. It's just gliding with ease through this hair, just with ease. And I know you're asking me why am I using it on this hair, because this is pretty much what I do on a daily. I don't put heat on my hair itself unless it's necessary and I'm doing a certain style. But for the most part, I'm pressing out my wigs, which is what I tend to wear on a regular. Even with that, this hair is human hair, so flat ironing your hair will dry out the strands, dry out the hair, dry out the wig, because it still is human hair. And I'm still feeling a lot of moisture retained in this hair with this flat iron. I'm not feeling it drying its hair out at all. From removing this hair from the packaging, see this is how the other side was with the kinks versus this side is completely straightened out. Still has its luster in its body. So I'm going to go ahead and test out how well this flat iron curls with these extended plates. I'll take a small portion, you can hold it right here. It gets slightly hot, but not overly hot. And you really don't have to hold it there that long. And that's actually a really nice beach body wave. It curls honestly really well. This is a really good tool for that curl. A nice little S pattern beachy wave. And you have a nice loose curl in there on S pattern. So our pros and cons is that this actually does get hot. So you want to hold it with using the glove on this side if you're going to go downward motion when using this product. I do like these extended plates. It's like a 2-in-1 flat iron, and I would say that it would be a good purchase for somebody who just wants to do a little flip, or just with the ease of the plates. They're amazing. This might be some of the best plates I've used on a flat iron that I've used thus far. I do love the fact that it has this curved plate, so I have the option of doing like a flip or a curl with one pass of this flat iron. Now these plates are really well made. I do love the overhang of it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. If you have one similar to or purchase one, let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys like this small tutorial or product test or review on Duvolle Rendezvous Professional Styling Iron. I'll leave all information and link to purchase down below, so don't forget to check that out. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, before I go, I know I said I was going to save you guys some money, right? So I will stay true to that, and you guys can save 70% off on this flat iron. And the code to use is a NetWalker70. So I want to say thank you to Duvolle for sending out the flat iron to review. I do love it. It's going to be a nice little staple in my collection. And I'll leave all information and a link to purchase down below in the description box. So do not, please, do not forget to check the description box for all information and details you will need. And hopefully you guys will leave comments down below so I can get back to you on what you think about this flat iron. To my next video, like, subscribe, comment, and share. Please continue to share so I can get you more content and things you would love to see. You can stay up to date with me on my social media platforms, Annette Beauty on Instagram. Visionary Beauty is my group on Facebook. Stay fabulous and be your own vision of beauty. Till next time, bye.
Got everything, I got everything.